Sometimes love enters our lives quietly. It doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't care about rules, age, or consequences. It simply appears when we least expect it and changes everything forever. But what would happen if the person who stole your heart was your best friend's mother? And what if your best friend was secretly falling in love with your mother at the exact same time? This is the story of Brandon and Anthony, two best friends whose lives were about to become more complicated than they ever imagined. Brandon and Anthony had been friends for years. They studied together, attended college together, and spent almost every day together. Like most young men their age, they dreamed about finding love, having girlfriends, and enjoying the exciting college life they always imagined. But reality was different. Their friends were finding relationships. Their friends were falling in love. Their friends were moving forward. Yet Brandon and Anthony remained alone. Every party they attended ended the same way. They watched couples dance while they stood in the corner holding drinks and pretending not to care. Deep inside, both of them felt lonely. One ordinary day at college, Brandon notices a beautiful girl during class. He becomes distracted by her beauty and completely loses focus. Unfortunately, his awkward behavior only creates embarrassment. It becomes another reminder that he simply doesn't know how to talk to girls. After college, Brandon calls Anthony and asks him for help. Anthony drives to Brandon's house, expecting nothing more than another ordinary afternoon. But the moment he walks inside, his entire world changes. Brandon's mother welcomes him warmly. She is beautiful, confident, kind, and completely different from the women Anthony usually meets. For the first time in a very long time, Anthony feels something strange. He tries to ignore it. He tells himself that these feelings are wrong. After all, she is his best friend's mother. But sometimes feelings don't listen to logic. That evening, Brandon and Anthony attend another party. Music fills the room, couples dance together, and everyone seems to be enjoying their lives. Everyone except them. Anthony sits quietly, unable to remove Brandon's mother from his thoughts. Meanwhile, Brandon meets a girl named Alex. She seems interesting, and for a moment he believes that perhaps his luck is finally changing. But once again his nervousness gets in the way. The night ends exactly like every other night. Disappointment, loneliness, and silence. When they return home, they discover that both of their mothers have become close friends. The women sit together, laughing and enjoying each other's company. Their friends joke about their mothers still acting young. Brandon feels embarrassed and decides to go outside for some fresh air. While walking, he notices Anthony's mother sitting quietly. For a brief moment, their eyes meet. Nothing is said, yet something changes inside Brandon. For the first time, he sees her differently. And suddenly, the impossible happens. Anthony has feelings for Brandon's mother. Brandon has feelings for Anthony's mother. Neither friend knows the truth. The next day, Anthony finally confesses his feelings to Brandon. He feels guilty and ashamed. He tells Brandon that he cannot stop thinking about his mother. Brandon acts understanding. He tells Anthony not to blame himself. But he keeps his own feelings hidden. Because he has already begun falling for Anthony's mother. Days slowly pass. College continues. Life continues. But inside their hearts, everything has changed. Anthony keeps thinking about Brandon's mother. Brandon keeps remembering Anthony's mother. Every conversation feels meaningful. Every smile feels dangerous. And every moment together makes it harder to walk away. One afternoon, Brandon visits Anthony's house while Anthony is away. The house feels quiet. Anthony's mother talks to him softly. She understands him in ways nobody else does. For Brandon, it feels wonderful to finally be seen. He has spent his entire life feeling invisible. Now someone finally notices him. Someone finally understands him. The connection between them becomes stronger. Meanwhile, Anthony continues struggling with his own emotions. He attends parties, meets girls, and tries to move on. But his heart refuses to listen. No matter where he goes, his thoughts return to Brandon's mother. Ironically, the two friends often discuss love together. They describe their feelings. They talk about the women they cannot forget. But neither realizes they are talking about each other's mothers. Their friendship remains strong, yet invisible secrets begin creating distance between them. Brandon starts living a double life. During the day, he is Anthony's best friend. At night, He carries feelings he cannot share. Anthony does exactly the same. Both are trapped between friendship and desire. As time passes, Brandon and Anthony's mother become closer. She listens to him. She comforts him. She makes him feel important. Behind her smile, she also carries loneliness. She wants to feel young again. She wants to feel loved. And Brandon gives her that feeling. For a brief moment, both of them forget about the world around them. But secret relationships never remain hidden forever. Every lie creates another lie. Every secret becomes heavier. Every stolen moment creates new risks. Eventually, Anthony notices changes in Brandon. His behavior feels different. His actions seem strange. Suspicion slowly enters his mind. At the same time, Brandon realizes that he cannot continue living this way forever. His friendship means too much. Anthony is like a brother to him. And he knows the truth could destroy everything. One evening, Anthony invites Brandon to dinner. The family sits together. Anthony's father speaks proudly about marriage, loyalty, and family. Brandon feels uncomfortable. Every word feels like a reminder of his guilt. He struggles to maintain eye contact. He wants to leave. After dinner, Anthony's father unexpectedly speaks to Brandon privately. He already knows the truth. He knows about the relationship. Surprisingly, he does not become angry. Instead, he gives Brandon one warning. Anthony must never discover what happened. Brandon leaves the house carrying an even heavier burden. Meanwhile, Anthony continues searching for happiness. He meets different women. He tries to move on. But every relationship feels empty. His heart remains attached to someone he cannot have. Around this time, Brandon begins reconnecting with Alex. Unlike everything else in his life, Alex feels simple. She makes him smile. She understands him. And for the first time, Brandon imagines a future without secrets. He asks her to spend time with him. She agrees. Hope finally enters his life. But life rarely allows people to escape their mistakes so easily. At a party filled with music, laughter, and celebration, the truth finally appears. Anthony's mother approaches Brandon once again. Emotions return. Old feelings become impossible to control. And then the worst possible thing happens. Anthony sees them together. The betrayal destroys him. His best friend. His mother. His trust. Everything collapses in a single moment. Brandon apologizes repeatedly. He tries to explain. But Anthony feels broken. Then Anthony reveals his own secret. He admits that he has been in love with Brandon's mother. Suddenly, both friends realize the truth. Both were lonely. Both were searching for love. Both made mistakes. And both were carrying the same pain. The anger slowly fades. Because for the first time, they truly understand each other. Eventually, all the secrets come to light. The lies disappear. The hidden feelings end. Brandon chooses to move forward with Alex. He chooses honesty. He chooses a future that does not require hiding. Anthony also begins rebuilding his life. Their friendship survives, not because they forget what happened, but because they forgive each other. Because sometimes growing up means accepting our mistakes. Sometimes love appears at the wrong time. Sometimes we give our hearts to the wrong people. And sometimes those experiences teach us who we truly are. In the end, Brandon learns that love should never be built on secrets. Anthony learns that some feelings must be let go. And both friends realize that their friendship is worth more than any forbidden relationship. Because true friendship survives pain. True friendship survives mistakes. And true friendship survives even the most impossible love stories. This is not simply a story about romance. It is a story about loneliness, friendship, growing up, and learning that the right person often arrives only after we finally let go of the wrong one. And that is how Brandon and Anthony discovered that love can change everything, but friendship